guys, are you ready to dance like a toy robot? Whoa! All right, let's put it together.
First start with the body and shake it side to side. Then we put our head on top and we screw it on tight. Now we click our arms in place and we swing them out wide. Then attach our legs and they're feeling alright. Now there's only one thing left to do. Press the button and dance. I'm a robot. I'm a dancing robot. I'm a robot. I'm a dancing robot. I can feel the music in my bones and ears. I'm a robot and I love to dance.
Oh, we're out of battery. Gotta recharge.
Charge up with your right arm, spin it round and round. Then charge with your left arm, spin it round and round. Now touch your toes, going up and down. Then we get wound up by spinning round and round. Now there's only one thing left to do. Press the button and dance. I'm a robot. I'm a dancing robot. I'm a robot. I'm a dancing robot. I can feel the music in my bones and ears. I'm a robot and I love to dance.
Ooh, we're out of battery again. But I see some supercharged batteries. Let's grab one and get powered up. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's another one. Go on, grab it. Oh, another one. There's another one. There we go. Now we're really charged up. Speed dance.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe.